This is 11225 Huron Lane. Tornado damage here in Little Rock. Some trucks have been moved, twisted around. Look at the woods back here. My goodness.
Oh, it's right back there.
Wow, incredible.
Right now it's got about a mile wide. Look at the upward rising motion. Look at the counterclockwise rotation with this. There are farmsteads, there are a few small towns. Does anybody have can anybody look up the name of the towns for me? I can't.
I think it was Hedrick.
Yeah.
I got no.
So this is about east of Hedrick, somewhere in the Hedrick, Iowa. But we're southwest of Washington. We're northeast of Ottumwa.
There it is. You can kind of see the debris. It's very, very small, but something is being hit.
This is moving away from us. It's all right. We're fine. The tornado is just, and this makes it look farther away than it is, but the tornado is right there, guys. Look above the power poles and the power lines. It's right there. See that clear spot right above that? That's the rear flank downdraft gut. Tornado is right in front of us. Tornado is right in front of us here. See, it's right in the field. It looks on Facebook Live, it looks farther away than it really is, but it's not.